Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all well healthy and happy. Today we are going to start a new chapter of computer. The name of this chapter is Flash. What is the Flash? So, dear students, Flash is a popular software. It is a popular software that we use to make 2D animation. You see the cartoon films, the animated films that we will make with the help of Flash software. So let's start the reading. Flash is a popular software for making 2D animations. You can make animated banners, websites, film, and many other things using Flash. Like you can create the animated banners, website, film, and the other posters with the help of Flash. You can create the videos and the others. Once you open Flash, you can convert the text while applying the font and paragraph attribute. Firstly, you will knowledge about the Flash attributes. So, first is the font attributes. The font attributes are auto-kerning, character position, font size, style like bold, italic, character, color, and spacing. You can see in the image here the toolbar that the properties display. You click on the properties and then first you can see the arrow that's as the font family. Like you can select the font type here. Next, the font size. You can increase and decrease with this option. And text size, you can choose the text size which you want, and the font style like the bold and italic. Next, paragraph alignment like left, center, right, and justify. These are known as paragraph alignment. If you use the left, then the text will be in the left side. If you use the center, the text will be in the center only, and you can use the right for the right handle. Next is the letter spacing. This is the letter spacing. You can use the letter spacing to space between the letter. Next, the character position. If you want to position the character, you can use the character position. Next, font rendering method and the auto-kerning. On the toolbar, you can select this in the Flash. Next, let's start reading about font size, type, and style. First, you have to know how to use font use, type, and style in the Flash. You must follow these tips, like select the text with the text tool. First, you select the text with the text tool. The second point is now select the font text box and choose a font from the list. Then click on the font size and choose the size of the text. Next, after the click on the color box for selecting the color. For making the text bold, select bold button. For making the text italic, select italic button. As you can see in this image, this is known as the text box, and here we type the Wonderland animation, and here the properties are shown. Here you can choose the text and the others with the help of it. Like if you want to use this and the size, bold if you want to bold the text, and the italic if you want to italic the text, and next the spacing with the help of it from the text tool. Where is the text tool? Here is the text tool. and you can also the color with the help of it. Here you can see the colors. You can color, you can use the pencils and the other with the help of it. Next one is the character spacing, kerning and position. First, what is the spacing? Character spacing means a gap between the characters. Like the character spacing is the gap, space between the characters. Next, kerning. We use character kerning for controlling the space between the pairs of character. When the pairs of the character, like the two group of the character, then for controlling the space between them, we use the kerning. Next is the position. Character position shifts the character upward and downward from the baseline. From the baseline, like this is the baseline, and the position, character position shifts the character upward and downward from the baseline. For this, follow the below mentioned steps. First, select the text with the text tool. Second, now click on the character space box and enter a value in the character position text box. You enter what you want to text in. You can enter in the character of the position text box. Then select auto kern for inserting automatic kerning between the text. When you select the auto kern, then it is automatically kerning between the text. Next, after the select position from the list, so as to specify character position, to specify the select position from the character position. Next, select normal as so as to place the text over the baseline. So dear students, like here is this is your baseline. If you want to test here, like we bundle net, then we use the normal. If you want to write like on the bundle net this, then you use the normal. And next, if you want to, you just select the superscript as to the place the text of the baseline. If you want to choose the dust, then the superscript is the place text below the baseline. Like this is the normal. This is the normal. This is a normal and this is your baseline. Like if you want it, this is known as the superscript. Like ch-2. And if you want to below, that's known as subscript. This is the subscript, then not on the baseline. So here is the difference between the normal, superscript and subscript. So you can see the here this is the normal on the baseline, this is the superscript and this is the subscript. Hope you understand the total topic of the steps of the color spacing, kerning and the position, also the font size and the type in the flash. Have a nice day.